Hey everybody, it's lunchtime and we are gonna play. My latest Misfits Market box had some red beets that I have roasted and peeled, and we are going to make a beet and walnut salad with an orange maple vinaigrette. We're gonna autumn it up a bit, so let's do it. First thing we're gonna do is put together our dressing. We're gonna start with a little OJ. I'm gonna make a little extra of this because I like to have this on oven roasted sweet potatoes and that sort of thing. And we're gonna add some champagne mimosa vinegar. Remember, I got that at the farmer's market a while back. And a little maple slurple. That'll be our sweetness. And some salt and pepper. I like tarragon. It's gonna give it a little bit of licoriceiness. And then a little bit of Dijon mustard from Misfits Market. And we're gonna whisk this together. We're gonna place our bowl of our whisked base on top of a damp cloth. That way you can whisk and drizzle in your olive oil without having to worry about the bowl moving all over the place. So we have this nice locally made olive oil, locally made from imported olives. And in we go. Okay, we are nicely emulsified and thickened up a little bit. But what I'm going to do now is transfer this to a jar, and I'm going to let it sit in the refrigerator for a while and give that dried tarragon a chance to soften up. So, and then when we want to use this, all we got to do is shake it up and pour it on our salad. So now we're going to prep the rest of our ingredients. The first thing we're going to do is slice our beets into nice, comfortable sized cubes. Doing this in the bowl with the gloves on to keep from getting all red. Here are our beet pieces that are going on top of our salad. And the next thing we're going to do is slice up a red onion as thinly as you can. I also had a nice English cucumber in my fridge, so I decided we're going to put this in here too. What I've done is taken out the seeds, even though English cucumbers are less seedy than most, and we're going to cut them into little half moons. The next thing we're going to do is make some chunks of romaine. I like to go a couple times the long way and a couple times across the way. And okay, our lettuce, cucumbers, and onion are going into a salad bowl, well, a mixing bowl. I think I might, leave it in. And we're gonna toss that up with our dressing. Okay, in goes our orange maple vinaigrette. That should be a good amount. Well, probably too much, but that's okay. We can always add more stuff. And toss that up. And yeah, some of our dressing sunk to the bottom. And then to our salad mixture, I'm going to add some walnut halves and incorporate those as well. This smells so good, tangy and orangey. And now we are going to complete our salad and have our lunch. That's what it looks like so far. Okay, our salad is on, and now we're going to add some beets to the top of it. Some total yumminess. And now we're going to finish it off with some goat cheese crumbles Add a little tang. Add a little whiteness. A little more over here. Okay, good. And then I had some, all of these vegetables came from Misfits Market, every single one of them. I had a little, some scallions that I got too, and those are gonna go over top. And here it is, our lovely roasted beet and walnut salad with an orange maple vinaigrette. Thanks for joining me, and that was really fun. Here's what a bite of that salad looks like. And we're about to eat it and eat it all. And I hope you come back soon. It's gonna be Flatbread Friday real soon. And, oh, actually, we'll be past Flatbread Friday. But anyway, we'll be back soon with some more stuff, and we'll see you then.